Hey, what's up, digital hustlers? You're a crypto pro, you're working from home, and you're killing it. But let's be real, that 9 to 5, even on your own terms, is still a grind. You're trading your most valuable asset, your time, for a paycheck. You've got the skills, you've got the ambition, but are you free? I'm talking about the kind of freedom where the market can dip, your client can vanish, but your income machine just keeps printing. I'm talking about 6 figures a month, not just in crypto gains, but in automated, scalable cash flow. I'm diving deep into Jonathan Montoya's Financial Freedom Breakthrough 3. This isn't just another online course. It's the 3 roadmap designed for ambitious, tech-savvy people like you who are ready to stop trading time for money and start building an actual wealth-generating asset. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see the 3 non-negotiable pillars that can take you from the work-from-home grind to true financial escape. For those of us living in the digital sphere, we know there are a million ways to make a buck online. But for sustainable, high-leverage income, nothing beats high-ticket affiliate marketing. It's the ultimate business model. You sell other people's proven products, you make fat commissions, and you don't deal with inventory, fulfillment, or customer support. It's pure profit leverage. Now, there's a lot of noise out there, but the undisputed leader right now is Freedom Breakthrough 3. Jonathan Montoya isn't just an instructor, he's an architect of automated systems. This program is the refined, 3rd iteration, the one that solves the scaling problem for good. It's built for speed, efficiency, and massive growth. The biggest mistake I see smart people make is skipping the fundamentals. You know how to code, you know how to trade, but do you know how to build a money-making machine? Freedom Breakthrough 3 starts with a rock-solid foundation. First, you learn to choose a niche that is not only profitable, but also evergreen. Forget chasing fads. Then, it's all about the sales funnel. This is your 24/7 digital salesperson. You're learning to build high-converting landing pages, and more importantly, a bridge page that instantly builds trust and positions you as the expert, the key to unlocking those high-ticket commissions. You'll get the exact plug-and-play templates that Jonathan uses to generate multiple 6 figures. This isn't theoretical. It's a blueprint you can copy, paste, and launch in a weekend. By mastering the funnel, you lay the groundwork to handle thousands of leads without ever getting overwhelmed. A killer funnel is useless without traffic, and this is where the 3 really earns its stripes. Forget relying on one source. We're talking about a trifecta of automated traffic. First, organic content. Think TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and simple value-packed videos. You'll learn how to get free, high-quality traffic by mastering the latest algorithms. You don't need to be a celebrity, you just need the right framework. Freedom Breakthrough teaches you how to create content once and have it generate leads for months, even years. Second, paid traffic. This is the accelerator pedal. Jonathan shows you how to strategically deploy simple Facebook, Google, and YouTube ads that are profitable from day one. This is crucial. If you're serious about getting to 6 figures a month, you must know how to invest to make. You're already sharp, this is just applying that analytical mind to ad spend. Third, the scaling secret. Most courses stop there. Freedom Breakthrough 3 teaches you how to leverage your existing traffic to jump on emerging platforms before the competition catches up. It's about building a fortress of traffic streams, so that if one slows down, 2 others keep you flying high. Okay, the funnel's set, the traffic is flowing. But here's the key to waking up to sales notifications: email automation. This is your true passive income engine. Think of your email list as your personal ATM. This program gives you the exact scripts and sequences to nurture your leads, not just spam them with offers. You'll learn the art of the 5-day or 7-day automated email sequence that builds a relationship, provides value, and ultimately converts cold traffic into high-paying customers, all while you're sleeping or, actually enjoying your freedom. This is where the 6-figure per month number becomes real. It's about getting massive leverage. You do the work once to set up the sequence, and then you get paid indefinitely. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a set-it-and-forget-it automated revenue system. So, is Freedom Breakthrough 3 worth it? Absolutely. But let me be straight, it's not for the lazy. It requires an initial investment of time and effort, and yes, some money for essential tools like domain and email software. But if you are a committed, high-potential pro who is tired of being tethered to a client or an exchange, this program provides the proven roadmap to build true, automated financial freedom. You have the skills. You have the discipline. All you need is the blueprint. I've put a link to the Freedom Breakthrough 3 program in the description below. Check it out and start building your financial escape plan today. If this script has fired you up, do 2 things for me right now. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more cutting-edge strategies on achieving true financial independence in the digital world. Now go get that freedom. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.